Hi all, welcome to my channel DataWisdom. Today we are going to see how do we find nth highest salary into Oracle. Okay, so let's start. So we already have created a table called employee which contains some records. So let's first see what records do we have. Okay, so we have employee ID, department ID, employee name, address, salary, department. Now we want to find out the second highest salary from this table. Okay, or third highest salary or nth highest salary for that matter. So we have duplicate records as well. Like if you can see, we have duplicates for 20,000, we have duplicates for 30,000, right? Now we'll see how can we find the second highest salary from this table. Okay, let's start. First we'll see it using analytical function distance rank. Okay, what I'll do first, we'll see how does dense rank function work. Okay, so from this table I want to find out salary, then I'll apply this dense rank function. So we'll see how does dense rank work, how does it assign rank to our salaries. Okay, I'm using this dense rank function. We'll have to write over, we'll have to write the criteria based on which it will assigning the ranks. So I want to write order by salary ascending. Okay, and I'll give this dense rank function an alias by which it should be known. Suppose I'm giving it as ranking. Okay, now let's execute this and see what does it give. So what it is giving, based on my salary into descending order, it is assigning rank. So wherever we are having duplicate values, it is assigning the same rank to those columns, right? And now what I have to do, I just have to select this salary for which ranking is 2, right? So let's write it in a subquery. What do I want to select? Select it. Since I am writing this in subquery, let's give this query an alias. Okay, so I want this inner query to be known as result. So whatever this query is returning, alias for that is result. Now I want to select everything from result. Okay, so select result dot star from result, where what do we want to do? We want to select where ranking is 2, right? We'll write our condition where result dot ranking equal to 2. Okay, let's execute this query and we should receive record with 51,000, right? So we are receiving our second highest salary. If you do not want all the columns, if you do not want ranking, you will just have to write select result dot salary, right? So it is just giving us the salary. Now suppose you do not want to find second highest salary, rather second minimum salary, right? Again, let's try to execute this part of query, right? Currently we are assigning ranking based on descending order, so we'll just have to change our order into this particular query for arranging our salary or for sorting our salary. Yes, now if you'll see, it is giving rank into ascending order. So second minimum salary is 21,000, right? Now if I run this query, what I'm getting 21,000. So using this function or using this query, you can find nth highest salary and nth lowest salary. Okay, now we'll see how can we find second highest salary using an other query. Okay, so first, how to find maximum salary? We can use select max function, max of salary from employee. What it will give? It will give me the maximum salary from this table, right? Now what I want to do, I want to find out the second highest salary, right? So I'll write this as a subquery, and I write select salary from employee where salary is less than the maximum salary of this employee table, right? It will give me all the salaries which are less than the maximum salary into this table, right? It will return me multiple rows. 54,000 was highest salary, and rest all other salaries are less than that particular salary. Now if I find the maximum salary from this result, I'll get my second highest salary, right? If I select max of salary from this particular result set, then I'll get my second highest salary. Return the spelling correct. 5, it is returning me 51,000, right? But the issue with this query is, if you want to find out third highest or nth highest salary, you will have to write that many subqueries. So if we are using analytical function, this is the best option which we can use for finding nth highest or nth lowest salary. Okay, we're going to see our third option for finding nth highest salary. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to select star from employee. Okay, and here I'll write an subquery. Okay, using where condition. First we'll write the select query, and then we'll see which filter condition or which select condition do we have to apply. So here I want to find out select count of distinct salary, okay, from employee. Okay, here I'll create two alias so that I can compare the salaries. Okay, so I want to find out employee 2 salary. Okay, for this I'll create an alias emp1. Out for outer query, my alias is emp1. For inner query table, my alias is emp2. Okay, where emp2 dot salary is greater than emp1 dot salary. Okay, so what my inner query is returning? My inner query is returning me count of distinct salary and the count of salaries which are higher than that. Okay, and for comparing, I'll write where condition. If I want to find second highest salary, only one salary should be higher than second highest salary, so I'll compare it with 1. If you want to find out third highest salary, that means 2 salaries are higher than that particular salary, your count will become 2. Okay, if you want to find out fifth highest salary, that means 4 salaries should be higher than your fifth highest salary, so your count will become 4, right? Similarly, if you want to find out nth highest salary, your count will become n minus 1. Okay, because in inner query we are finding salary, right, and the values which are higher than that particular salaries, or the count of distinct salaries which are higher than that particular salary, right? And let's run this query. It is returning me 51,000, and we have already seen that 51,000 was our second highest salary. Only 54,000 was higher than that. right? If I want to find out third highest salary, then this value will become 2, right? That means third highest salary should have 2 salaries greater than that, right? Let's run this query, and we are finding our third highest salary, which is 49,000. So these are the 3 options using which we can find out our nth highest salary, out of which if we want to use analytical function, then this is the best option. If you do not want to use analytical function, then we should go for this query. Okay,